Pull up a chair and buckle up. It's the Original Strength BodCast.
Hey guys, and welcome to this week's edition of the Original Strength Podcast. This week, we're going to talk about strength training. The American College of Sports Medicine just released their new guidelines for building strength and hypertrophy. But instead of having to read that, I'm going to go ahead and give you the secret to strength training and hypertrophy, and it is consistency. So consistency is pretty much the secret sauce to strength training. And it's not like a magic number of sets and reps. Like for instance, you can build muscle size between 5 and 30 reps. Well, there's a lot of variance in that. And is that in one set? Is it one working set, or is it 20 working sets? It's like, so all of the above can work, but it's showing up often that gives you the fruits of your labor. And have you ever been to the beach and seen like trees that are like they're growing sideways? And the reason that is because there's a gentle breeze that's constantly blowing day in and day out, and that gentle breeze is nudging the tree to grow sideways. And it is not a hurricane force wind that causes the tree to grow sideways, because those are far and few and in between, between August and December. But especially if you live on the East Coast. But it's the gentle, constant breeze that shows up day in and day out that shapes the tree and gently nudges its branches to grow sideways. And that is strength training. So, and that's one of the reasons why Dan John's Easy Strength works so well, is because it's showing up every day with gentle nudges in performing 5 exercises for 10 reps at a time. And again, with Dan John's Easy Strength, you determine, do you want to do a set of 10, 2 sets of 5, 2 sets of 3, and 1 set of 4? Like it's up to you. But the point is that you show up every day and you nudge strength to happen through the continual day in, day out gentle breeze that you're creating through showing up. And so what that really does, though, is it creates neural efficiency. Again, the body's use it or lose it, which means it's use it and build it. So if you show up every day, you're nudging your nervous system to lay a framework for efficient neural pathways. And basically what that means is your nervous system will give you access to your body, to your strength. And so that's one of the most brilliant things about Dan John's Easy Strength. But now, I'll be honest, it's not necessarily a hypertrophy program because your reps are so low, but it is definitely a strength training program. If you want hypertrophy, then you got to show up and gently nudge the muscle growth through volume. And again, that volume can be done in so many different ways. That is a cat that you could, skin 1,000 different ways with a number of different rep schemes. But the biggest thing there is that you want to challenge the body ultimately through volume. So if it's ridiculously easy, it's probably not going to produce any growth. But if it takes work and effort, and you show up often, then you're probably going to create a good amount of growth. Anyway, all that to say is if you're wanting to become stronger, show up often. That's all you got to do. Show up often and lift something. Do something with your body. It can be your own body weight. It can be external load to your body. You just show up often, though, and you move. And if you want size, then you show up often and you accumulate a good amount of volume that is also a challenge. But it's not one huge workout. It's not one huge month of effort, and then it's gentle nudges constantly, day in and day out, that will ultimately shape your body to the way that you want it to shape. Now, along with that, like if you are going for a certain shape, then there's also the gentle nudging that you need to do through what you choose to eat. So you want to choose wisely and fuel your body appropriately. So, protein is the building block of everything in your body that's physical. So you definitely want to eat protein. Your body is made for carbs. It's made for fat. It's just finding the balance of all of that makes sense for you. Just like it's finding the balance of what type of weight routine and how much how many reps and sets do you want to perform also? Because there are so many different ways to skin that cat. All right, that is my gist of building strength and perhaps size. Just remember, everybody's different. Your miles may vary with what you choose to do. Somebody else may respond completely different than how you respond. And we're just talking about showing up, doing the work, putting in the effort, and getting the results, the fruits of your labor that you want. Also, keep in mind that sometimes, depending on what you want, you may end up finding that the juice is not worth the squeeze. So don't kill yourself. You got to love yourself in the pursuit of strength, which means margin of diminishing returns. You want to find the right amount that gives you what you're looking for, that makes you feel good, that makes you happy. If whatever you're doing takes away from how you feel, like if it hurts, if you're miserable, if your body is responding negatively because you don't feel like you're going forward but you're moving backwards, you may want to reevaluate and adjust. All right, guys, enough of that. I just did a one-legged kettlebell swing video, and it's getting a lot of views. Matter of fact, for the last couple of kettlebell videos I've done, those are like lately the highest viewed videos I've done. And so it's got me wondering, would you be interested in more kettlebell videos, or would you be interested in kettlebell videos training plans that you could purchase, or whatever? Just let me know in the comments. Also, coming up in June, there should be some pressing reset workshops in New York City. Again, I'll be in Belgium and Paris for a couple of pressing reset workshops. And we just released our online pressing reset workshop in case you just don't like getting out and traveling about. I'll put that, if I can remember, in the comments of the show as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for listening. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this is and/or was the BodCast.
Thanks for listening. Now get outside and play.